major events of EGS, marking the expansion of our plant and also marking the expansion of our business, which is something that every company wishes to achieve. And not only that we've achieved this, but we've achieved this in a relatively short amount of time. And this makes the event to be even more interesting for us to celebrate. With the market recognition that we're enjoying as Zero Gas Systems, our goal is to become the #1 compression supplier for all upstream industry and users in the markets that we are now present. So EGS is going to be your compression source.
I want to share with everybody a little bit of our history, kind of where we got started, when we got started, and walk through the timeline a little bit, just so you understand what we've done here. And last few words will be a little bit about where we're going in the future.
Eurogas has achieved significant growth in the last 9 years since Mr. Wachter first started this organization. We are now Europe's #1 packager distributor for Ariel Corporation compressors, which are the #1 compressor, reciprocating compressor company in the entire world. And EGS enjoys the opportunity to be their primary packager distributor in this area.
Hello, my name is Tom Hamilton. I'm with FW Murphy Production Controls from the Houston, Texas area in the U.S. We're happy to be here in Romania. Great event, lots of people, and wish them the most success with their new facility and their new facilities to come.
We work as a team, and together in the next few years we will have double EGS with a double open house.